1 cup lobia, add into the cooker. Now we have to wash this well. Add 2 cups of water. Two or three based on the quantity of lobia you have taken. Add little salt. We are adding the salt because it enhances the taste of lobia. Now we are closing the lid and pressure cook this for 7 to 9 whistles. So we got our first whistle now. Let us wait for 7 more whistles. We completed 7 whistles now. We'll switch off the stove. Switch on the flame and place a kadai on the stove. The pan is wet now, so I am waiting for the pan to dry. Pan is ready now. I am adding approximately 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat for some time. This is the tempering I am using. I am using cumin seeds, mustard seeds, urad dal. Okay. So add the tempering into the oil. The oil should be completely hot. Close the lid so that it will not jump into your eyes. Now we are adding onions. Fry the onions until it is transparent. I have used 1 medium-sized onion here. After 2 to 3 minutes, we are adding ginger garlic. The raw smell is gone. Now I am adding tomatoes. Here I have taken 2 medium-sized tomatoes. Add chilies. And give it a mix. Close the lid and let it cook for some time. A tomato will have become soft, into this we need to add our cooked lobia. This is our cooked lobia. So I am adding this into the paste. We need to fry this lobia along with the tomato and onion. Remember, I have not taken the soaked lobia. I did not soak it for overnight. We are adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Let it steam for 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 minutes, it has steamed. I am adding 2 glasses of water. You can add water according to your consistency. If you want a thick gravy, you can add 1 glass of water. So the water should come to a boil. I am closing the lid now. We are adding masala now. I have taken 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 spoon of cumin powder and 1 spoon of coriander powder and a pinch of turmeric. I am adding this into the gravy. Mix it well until it combines. And close the lid. Now let us check the curry. It is ready. Now finally we are going to add the salt. Okay. Remember, we have already added salt and lobia while cooking. Now add salt according to your taste. Now mix it well until it combines. Let us cook this for 5 minutes and then taste our curry. Our lobia curry is ready. You can serve this with rice or chapati.